महेश्वर मोजल भास्कर मिष्टममर
अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Not as a mere ceremony, but to believe from the core of our heart that this world of ours is a beautiful bouquet of divine brotherhood.
तनुमोजित गर्हित कांचन कामिनी बंधम मूर्त महेश्वर मोजल भास्कर मिष्टममर नरबंद्य।
Sisters and brothers of America, this whole nation to aspire. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But the time is come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of this convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and of all unshared feelings between persons wending their way to the same goal. Thank you.
The second lecture is so to the world that narrow-mindedness is the fundamental cause of disagreement amongst nations and religions. In the third, Pemos paper on Hinduism.
I tried to prove their own religion superior, but Swami Vivekananda declared, as we just now heard, we believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. In his own words, Swami describes, I bowed down to Devi Saraswati, stepped up, and Dr. Barrows introduced me. My yellow robe had some effect. I addressed the assembly as sisters and brothers from every corner of the world.
In one way, we can say a condensed world was present on that day of the Chicago Alameda religions.
But their time is to come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled in the morning in honor of the convention may be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and all uncharitable feelings between persons who wending their way to the same goal. The third point is global spiritual contribution, the key to India's victorious journey. Swami Vivekananda was very clear regarding the future route for India's awakening. He said in his Calcutta address, upon returning from the West, India must conquer the world, and nothing less than is my ideal.
To Surendra of class 12 for just giving us a glimpse of Swamiji. When he was speaking, I was just thinking that how nicely he has manifested the inner qualities that was present in him.
गुरुदेव चाहते हैं कि मैं समुद्र पार करके अमेरिका जाऊं।
दुनिया में संतों की सबसे प्राचीन परंपरा की ओर से धन्यवाद देता हूं। मैं एक ऐसे धर्म का न्याय हूं जिसने संसार को सहिष्णुता और सर्वधर्म समभाव की शिक्षा दी। हम केवल सार्वभौमिक सहिष्णुता में विश्वास नहीं रखते, बल्कि हम सभी धर्म को सत्य मानते।
कौन ऊपर उठाएगा, कौन उन्हें भोजन देगा? मुझे मार्ग दिखाओ ना, कैसे मैं उन लोगों की सहायता कर सकता हूँ।